Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about 5 warning lights on your vehicle you should never ignore. We're going to start off with the oil pressure warning light. If your engine runs low on oil pressure internally, there's a high chance you could damage bearings, timing chain guides, lifters are often make noise. We want to get that rectified right away to prevent damage internally. Number 2 is a charging system light. Today's vehicles are highly electronic, and if for some reason you lose an alternator, stops operating, or you have some other electronic problems, the vehicle could leave you alongside the road. We want to get that inspected right away. Number 3 is brake pressure warning light. If you get a brake pressure warning light, we've either lost pressure inside the system or the brake fluid's extremely low, and that fluid has gone somewhere. You need to get your vehicle inspected and the brakes inspected by a qualified professional as soon as a brake pressure warning light comes on. The next one is cooling system. If the coolant light comes on, by driving the vehicle within a few miles overheating, you can cause severe engine damage. We want to get that checked out and make sure that your vehicle does not end up with an expensive repair. I'm Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man, with the West Automotive Group.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.